Welcome back. If you bought the Animal Ultra Pack in the Epic Marketplace and started your animal, but it doesn't move, or it just slides, this video will show how to get your animal looking normal, going from this to this, by fixing the animation blueprint. If you haven't already gone through the Animal AI video and Head Jitter fix, you might check that out. This is basically the same thing with making the animation blueprint work how it should. So let's get on with it. Open the Animation Blueprints folder and select your animal. First, there is just a random sequence player and no state machine. In the event graph, there isn't anything to make the animal move, so let's start here. Pull off Event Blueprint Update Animation and Type is valid. Pull off Input Object and Type, try Get Pawn Owner. Pull off Return Value and Type, Get Movement Component. Then pull for is falling. Right-click, Return Value and Promote to Variable. Named is in air and connect it to is valid. Pull Return Value again from try Get Pawn Owner and type Get Velocity. Then pull for Vector Length and promote that output to a float variable called Speed. Compile and save. And head over to the Anim graph. First we can just delete this random sequence player and add a new state machine. Connect and open it, then add our new states. Complete the transitions and open idle to walk. Drag in and get speed. Pull for a greater than symbol, set it to 10 and complete the connection. From walk to idle, drag in and get speed. Pull to get a less than symbol, set it to 5 and complete the connection. Drag in your walk and idle animations. Compile and save. Check and make sure everything is connected in the character blueprint. Compile, save and hit play to test it out. I hope this helped. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon if you'd like more. Until next time, enjoy and have fun.